Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI and I want to talk about this gorgeous dress that I have here. So this is a beautiful summer dress that I got. Comes in so many different colors. This is a beautiful cotton blend dress. So it's just wonderful for the summer. I love the look of it. I love that it ties up at the neck. You have a button that clasps at the back. It's got a stretchy little elastic, which is just perfect and comfortable. I love the fact that you can wash this, throw it in the dryer, and it comes out beautifully. It's just the right length, and it's got this beautiful bottom that kind of goes out, which is kind of elegant. And I love the fact that it has pockets. Who does not love a dress with pockets? You're able to put stuff in it and it's super cozy. I just love wearing this, whether you're just wearing it for a beautiful summer day, whether you're just wearing it to go out. You can dress it up and dress it down, which is one of the greatest things I love about this dress. And I absolutely love this color. It's very beautiful and it's just so cozy. I can't say that enough. It's just my point of view.